Hello, everyone, and welcome to another roller coaster ride as we get through COVID. I keep saying COVID. I'm still in transition of COVIDing myself out into becoming normal. What do I want to talk about today? Well, I want to talk about that Cathy Sabater with Cardinal Financial can provide you loans nationwide. You saw my video yesterday in regards to, hey, investment property, or do you think you're priced out of the market? Start thinking about some areas that you may want to retire in, or have people who want to move in are going to rent, right? There's different options that we can have for you. So I just want to make sure that we provide you that opportunity to do that. Grace called me today. Hey, Grace, shout out to you. In regards to, hey, I got money sitting in the bank. It's not really making that kind of money. What should I do? Well, I say buy something. Don't buy a car. Don't lease a car if you don't have to. Utilize your money for it to make money for you. Then when you're making that money, go buy what you want to buy, like a car, a boat, or whatever. That's my personal opinion, okay? So I found this little chart, United States and their capitals, through Thought Code. And I thought it was interesting because I can't remember half of the capitals, right? So that was a fun research to go through. And so as you know, I'm thinking out of the box myself and looking at these states and cities that can afford me the opportunity to, hey, let me get some investment property. Let me think out the box. I really wanted to stay in California in regards to my investment property, but I wanted to find something that was more cost effective. Okay. So Cathy Sabater with Cardinal Financial, what can provide you loans nationwide? Should we have a trivia and say, hey, what is the capital of Texas? Because right here it says Austin, California, Sacramento. That's the capital. Anyway, with that being said, let's go on to what's happening in the housing market. Top metros still, Phoenix 24%, San Diego 19%, Denver 16%. That third one keeps changing and fluctuating. One thing to note is that when we invest in property, especially if it's our primary home, yes, we enjoy the equity growth. Yes, we enjoy the appreciation, but really we want the house because we want to live in it, right? And some people have a short term, right? I'm gonna buy this so I can get something I really, really want, or I'm gonna buy what I can buy right now, right? I think the statistics are 40 to 50% of people who are selling to buy, right? So where are they going? Because the pandemic has allowed a lot of people to work where? At home. And so therefore they can move nationwide, right? So I have a couple of people going like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to keep working from home. So I got to put this on hold until I find out. Okay. So let's talk about forbearance, right? So it's dropping. There's about 1.9 million families. It used to be like 4 million. And of the 1.9, there are still about 25% of them who are actually making their mortgage payments. So what's forbearance again? Forbearance is part of the pandemic relief to say, hey, if you can't make your payment, we're not going to foreclose on your home. We're going to say that you're making your payments, so your credit score is going to look okay. However, when we pull your credit, we're going to see that you're in forbearance. Are you making your payments or you're not making your payments, right? And then I'm here as a mortgage planner to help you through that process, right? So my goal, hopefully you can keep your home, but guess what's happening? Many are waiting the frenzies of what? Housing foreclosures. Why? Well, what's going to happen for those families who cannot make their mortgage payment? There are going to be services who are going to say, hey, here goes the plan. We'll do X, Y, Z. Can you afford this? Yes or no? Now, different states have different laws. So one of the reasons why I like Tennessee is that Tennessee, they don't play, right? So 30-day evict. If you're going to be in foreclosure, we're going to do the paperwork and you are out, right? State of California is another story because California, it could take 6 months, 9 months to a year because we have different laws guiding our procedures, okay? But I know many people are on the sideline going, hey, where's the foreclosures? But as we can see, interest rates are still historically low, right? Market is still going like this. And in some states, it's going like this, right? And I have seen a lot of reductions in price in certain areas in nationwide search, okay? So what's happening with mortgage-backed securities? Well, we are at 103.73, we're up, right? But as you can see here, we're at that level of resistance. So the feds are going to be speaking tomorrow. Is this 10-year, remember this 1.31? Is it going to continue to go down? Are we going to benefit from it? So again, we're floating, waiting to see what's going to happen. So around 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, are you going to lock, or are you going to trend the market and float? Because if it goes up, right, the higher this number goes, what does that mean? That means the interest rate you get costs you less money. Okay. You guys stay safe. If you need anything from me, give me a call, 619-846-2675.